Akiaria ari mwena wa gicua-ini Matiang'i niugite honge cia ugitiri ni cihaririirie wega guthingatithia thayu icigo-ini ciothe cia bururi niguo kuhotithia Kenya guikia kura na njira ya thayu hindi ya gucokerwo gwa githurano kia upresident.
To our responsibilities as provided for by the law. It is our responsibility to ensure that law and order is kept in the country. We will ensure that that's done. That includes apprehending those in our midst who are going to engage in criminal activities, including hate speech, criminal conduct, including unlawful activities that may affect the electoral process as provided for by the law.
Matiang'i niongereire kuga ginyanagia riu arugamiriri anene na makamishina IEBC ni mahetwo ugitiri wa kuigana na no wongererwo kungibatarania. Oho Matiang'i ni arutite mukana kuri ateti na aria manatuuka miario igicogera ngui kana kugayukania Kenya na mithingi ya kindurire niguo meguneo kiumbe.
We'll do it. You have seen what we have done this week. We are going to intensify our efforts in that respect. We will not have room in our country for leaders, especially political leaders, who are bent on dividing the country, causing unnecessary conflict within and hurting our people.
Okaire-ini ukau kiama kia Jubilee ni kimenereirie ngwatanio ya NASA thutha wayo kuga ndikanyita itemi githurano-ini kiu.
That if NASA decides to boycott the elections, first of all we'll welcome that very much because it means we'll not have much competition. We'll go for the elections anyway because that is a requirement of the law. If they really also mean what they say, let them show real bravery and backbone by writing a letter to the IEBC that they will not participate in the elections.
Kuringana na mwandiki munene wa kiama kia Jubilee Rafal Tuju, NASA iri na uhinga kuona na thenge ya kuga bunge ya bururi ndiumbitwo uria kwagiriire no irathie na mbere gutabania cikaro cia bunge ya ngwataniro iyo kuria riu amoritie matige gwikinyia cikaro-ini cia bunge.
If this is not just a case of having a big stomach and no backbone, they should miss 8 consecutive sittings so that their seats may be declared vacant.
Ona kuri uguo gikundi gia kunyabara ithurano kia mabururi ma ruraya ni kiuritie miaho ya Jubilee na NASA metheme na miario ya kumenereria kamitii ya IEBC udumwe na igoti ria Supreme. Makiaria hindi ya giikaro na muikariri giti wa IEBC Wafula Chebukati anyabari acio ni maugite miario ta yo yahota gucungirira Kenya kwaga mwihoko na honge icio undu uria ungicungirira wagagu na ngui.
Forward to working to support the IEBC as it holds the best possible election in October.
Atongoria na ngwataniro ya NASA makoretwo makiruta mikana ya kugomera githurano kiu giukite irerekirirwo mukonde hindi ya giikaro kia bunge ya ngwataniro iyo angikorwo mendekithia maria maneanite kuri IEBC matiguthingatithio.